Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the Artsy Accountant, and today I wanted to share with you guys Em's first Christmas, a few goodies that she got, and lots of cleaning motivation, getting ready to start into the new year and to recover from Christmas. So let's get on into it. Yay! This year was extra special with it being baby's first Christmas, but she's not so much a baby anymore. I got some really sweet gifts, her first ornament, and this really sweet book from Justin. I just love the colors in this and that he got to pick what I look like and what Em looks like. I'm so excited to see what she looks like as she gets older. This is Hooray Heroes, and here are some other book ideas. And of course we got lots and lots of toys and clothes. I won't show you everything she got, we would be here all day, but I wanted to show you these pajamas that she did get. These are my favorite two-piece sets. They are the loose fit. The tight fitting ones don't fit her, and I love the little designs, little woodland animals on those. These are a tighter fit. They probably won't fit her, to be honest, but the pants will fit, and they are also super adorable. It took me a couple days to get all of her toys put together and put away. This one was in the toy box and she was really trying to get to it. So I went ahead and put it together with her.
What's Mama doing? You want it, huh?
She's standing up so good. All that work, and all she wanted to do was play with the walkie-talkie though. Now for the cleaning. This is released a couple weeks later, but this year I did get my Christmas tree put away in a decent time. Usually it sits up for months and months, so I put this away right away this year, and what helped was having this bag. I bought this off Amazon. It was really quick and easy to get in here instead of fussing with stuffing it back in the box, and it was pretty easy to carry upstairs. Here are the before shots. Our living room, dining room, and kitchen was an absolute mess. I'm only showing snippets. It's a lot worse. So let's get stuff done. Let's get cleaning. I'm filming this at night, and it doesn't take me very long to do these nightly routines, even when the house is a disaster. I've really condensed down the things that I own, which makes things like laundry really manageable. I also make it really easy on myself to put things away. Naturally, these were being left in the laundry room, sitting on top of the dryer, so I put this over the door, and now everything gets put away, and it's also really easy to grab when I need it. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good in there, and now I just do a load of laundry. I do a load of laundry every single night. Then I just work my way from one end of the house to the other, starting with this hallway. I picked up my clothes, I'm gonna do a dust, then I'm gonna clean this bathroom in here. I find doing a little bit every night keeps it from getting really nasty. I do a quick dusting, a quick wipe down, change the paper towel roll, and I change the hand towel. It only takes a few minutes to do this quick clean, but it goes a long way. Now for the kitchen, same thing. I'm gonna work on one end and move my way to the other end of the kitchen. I have pretty good systems in place for everything on the counters. Yes, everything is out. I know that drives a lot of people crazy. Most people want things hidden, but it works for our family to have things very visual and quick and easy to put away. And I forgot to film some after shots, but as you can see, my counter is nice and clean. I got everything wiped down. Now I want to tackle this space for a little organizing project. This Bright Room brand at Target is one of my favorites right now. I especially love all of the bathroom organizers. I feel that they can really be useful in other parts of the house. These I love for storing all of her baby items, so I wanted to bring in a second one. I also wanted to replace that brown basket with something that matches the rest of my decor a little bit better. I have these baskets everywhere and I love them. This basket is really handy for everything that we like to have out and accessible to grab really quickly. So her formula, her rice, and her little snacks. I also like to keep all of her medicine in here in this little container. This is another bathroom container that I've repurposed, and it holds her syringes and the little snot sucker as well. Everything is really nice and accessible and really nice and organized. This area of the counter is where I've been stacking her formula. Now I will have a drawer for it. I also wanted to move some of these items over. I wanted a drawer for her sippy cups and bottles, and then I wanted one just for her food containers, spoons, and teethers. I picked up these new spoons. I really like them. They're silicone and they're really cute with the little animals. They double as teethers also, and Em seemed to really like them. And again, everything is out on the counter, which could look a little cluttered, but I think I have it pretty organized now. It feels good to have everything mostly clean. Thanks for joining me, and next week I hope to have some videos focusing on Em's room since she is moving into her own room. And I also hope to share with you all some Valentine's Day content. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!